Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to teach you how to make soap dough using melt and pour soap base. Soap dough is essentially soap that's been made pliable so that you can mold, sculpt, and paint with it. It's super easy to make and even more fun to create with. To make soap dough, you'll be using melt and pour base and arrowroot powder. Today, I'm using half a block or 8 ounces of shea goat's milk melt and pour base and 6 ounces of arrowroot powder. First, melt your base in the microwave for 30-second intervals until fully melted. Once your base is fully melted, add 6 ounces of arrowroot and stir until you see the mixture start to thicken in a dough-like consistency. Once your mixture has thickened, transfer it to some parchment or wax paper so that you can mold and form it. This is where you'll add your colorants. You can break apart the dough into small sections and color each section differently if you want a variety of colors. To color your dough, sprinkle your natural powders, glitters, or micas and knead carefully until fully combined. Once you've made your soap dough, now you're ready to create with it. You can use sculpting tools, cookie cutters, or objects around your house to create pretty soap shapes and sculptures, and use small silicone molds to create 3-dimensional soaps for embeds or decoration. Here I've used a small embed mold to create some soap dough roses that I'm going to put on my finished charcoal bars. I've mixed Roulette Eco Glitter into the dough for a fun shimmery effect. When creating with soap dough, the possibilities are endless. You can add fragrances, colorants, and other enhancers to create unique effects for soaps that are all your own. Now that you know how to make soap dough, we can't wait to see what you create with it. What type of creations do you want to make with your soap dough? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!